Okay, today we're gonna head to a local muffler shop and finally put a muffler back on this thing after I hacked it off myself a couple of years ago. The cold starts are kind of annoying, and I think I'm done with having no muffler, but I'm gonna put on a smaller muffler so still keep a little bit of sound. Tired of that in the morning. I head down to Barbie Auto and Muffler in Austin and try to get this Flowmaster muffler put on my car. Quiet down the cold starts a little bit, I hope. We'll see how it goes. All kinds of noises. Hopefully it reduces the drone enough. I mean, like I said, it's not horrible, but I am kind of tired of it, and I'm trying to fix some of the janky work I've done to this car before I trade it in or sell it or whatever it is I'm gonna do.
One hour later.
And we're done. 165 out the door, one pipe bend, one weld, and a hanger. And wow, is it a lot quieter. Definitely no drone anymore. That's nice. That wraps us up. We've got the Flowmaster FlowFX installed, and I am happy to no longer have obnoxiously loud cold starts, but still have some pretty decent volume on wide open throttle. It did cut down the turbo whistle a little bit, but that's okay. I'll live with it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that kind of stuff.